Hi all, welcome to our channel. This is Rakesh. So guys, this is completely real-time technology. I can learn with the student how we can set up the Google AdWords account. Now open the new tab, Kumar. Here we can set up the new Google AdWords account. The first time user, how we can set up the Google AdWords account. adwords.google.com. adwords.google.com. So this is the first time account will be create holders. These are the first of all functional is very important. So how we can create the first of all account is important. Click for sign in. In this we can selecting any Gmail for set up the account. How we can create the ads. All will be particular setup will be here. Is the first time account will be create. The show will be like this. In this lot of campaigns are here. First of all, any account will be set up. There is a number of campaigns are there. The below campaigns are there. In the plus symbol is the new campaign creation in the plus symbol. So in this particular plus symbol, how we can set up your AdWords account. So first of all, go to the right side, tools and setting. Kumar, go to the tools and settings. Right side column in the header, tools and settings. Click tools and settings. In above, yes, tools and settings. Click. So it is going to the tools and setting option. Tools and settings. Yes, sir. That's on tools and setting. Click it, Kumar. Is a billing information. Click the billing. It is going to the particular browser will be here. So account was created will be properly here. So once your account will be create, any campaign you create will option name is called new campaign option. In the new campaign, first of all, they will be show first option is called goals, sales. You're looking for sale or lead generation, website traffic, product and brand consideration, awareness and reach, app promotion, local store visit, and create campaign without goals. See this one. Search. The main one is called search, performance max. This is a new one. Display, shopping, video, app, smart campaign, local, and discovery. These are the particular ads will show here. Previous will be 5, now will be total 9. Previous only for search, display, shopping, video, and app. So recently we'll be launching for here. See, reach the audience, how it is work. We can learn more about the particular things. So these are all your particular options. So this is a purely for here. Reach audience across all of your Google with a single campaign. There is a performance, maxes will be here. Display and shopping, video, app and smart, local, and here is a discovery. Anything, first of all, payment option, you have to first of all set up will be this procedure. Here is the payment will be here. And there is a payment setting always. You have to shoot setup will be fill up the all details. The payment option we can always will give by the manual payment. That option will be given by the always money transfer. So that is the you can compulsory we can here. US tax information can add by here, name and Indian tax info, and account will be always you can say by the individuals, country and the region. Once you place the country, we can't change. Each country we can create n number of account. There is an option will be given by the create account option. Create a new Google Ads account. That mean by we can create n number of ads account. There's no certain limit. We can create the account. Each country we can create by the account will be here to show the particular user purpose. Now go back. First of all, I create one campaign for the first user. How we can in this with the goal, without goal is there. When selecting goal option, there is a click for goal and click for continue, which is your suitable by the your particular option name is called website traffic. In this, I'm selecting the first one option is called performance max. So website traffic performance max 2. Suppose I'm not selecting this option, that performance max. There is option will be given here and click for continue. There is no option will be show the customers is a website traffic performance max 2. So what is your particular goals? Suppose your e-commerce sale purpose. You into website will be website traffic purpose. There are certain goals. This will be supporting only for YouTube and display video. This will be only display and video ads. So number of options are we can give to the particular customer. So my goal is website traffic. Click for continue. That option name is called performance max. Website traffic performance max 2. So I have to selecting my website architect solution. Anyone have question about the blogs and all, you can check from here. Click for continue. Start new campaign. In this campaign structure, what is your daily spending? The daily spending will be in a particular options are will be here. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is that. So first of all, before create a campaign, how it is campaign structure will be designed particular Google AdWords. I'll show you here. Any Google Ad accounts. There is the first of all setup will be here. Campaign, ad group, list of keyword. Campaign, ad group, list of the option. So we can go with option. Here is that. So we can go with this. Ads we can go with. Here is the first of all particular things. This will be ad type. This will be keyword type. So first option will be ad is the particular customers. This will be particular option will be given to the particular keyword type. This will be campaign structure for the search ads. This will be display ads. So here will be. So this will be ads. This will be your number of keywords. Now here will be daily minimum starting from 1500. 500 will be minimum. I can go with the option will be called 1500 budget. There is a particular bidding. So what is the purpose of bidding? Like a conversion value, conversion purpose, and what are the strategy you planning? Conversion thing, but people coming to your website, minimum conversion rating purpose. Nothing but clicks and people watching your particular website link purpose. That is the mainly focus about the particular users and add the particular option. Next, your target only for local audience or global audience. My target right now only for local audience. First of all, I'm locally, we have to strong. So that will be reaching for 3 crores 41 lakhs people you will be target here. 3 crores 41 lakhs people will be target here. Next one, language. We can edit in certain language will be promoting for all languages or proper few languages. So we can using for this particular option. So here, I'm selecting for 2 languages. Here will be the option will be here. Send traffic to the most relevant URLs on your site. Only send traffic to the URL that you are provided. So every option will be here. By my option is called people watching for enter my website URLs. Not only for one. I can show by the enter website URLs. More settings, any ad schedule, specific started ended purpose, and your campaign URL extra options. Suppose, for example, I'm selecting here just marketing training in US. These are ads. Extra URL will be adding in this particular option. That is, option will be given to the particular customers into the particular option. Campaign URL option will be here. This is a particular option will be here. In this very important final URL expansion, send traffic to the most relevant URLs on your website. Only send traffic to the URLs that you are provided. So this is compulsory selecting for first option or second option. As usual, your content wise. I'm selecting for first option. Click for next. Next one, immediately you're selecting for ad group. Already we discuss. Here will be ad. Next will be ad group. Here will be ads option. So we can selecting final URL. So I'm into focus about the my service. Digital market service. I will focus here. So copy the my final URL. This ad visible by the YouTube, Gmail, search, display, and discovery. At a time, they will be show for this many websites. Now click here and select your in this particular image, save it. Logo done. Image will be selected is going on 1, 2, 3, and save it. How we can show the particular customers email I will be show to the particular things. So here we can Gmail in this and search will be here and everything. So first of all, we can add your particular services. Digital marketing services, SEO services. So use your particular long description, short description. There is a particular options are here. Okay. So this all we can add your particular key. So how many description will accepting will be here is a particular description. You can show here, add your particular 5 description option. Next final one is call to action, learn more, get code, apply now, sign up, contact us, subscribe and download. Click for contact us. In a business name, we have to provide will be here. Your particular option will be there. So ad creation is one task, then perfect will be bill will be second task. Here will be option. So we can go with option will be here. In this, what are the you can upload by the video also. Video will be we can search for the channels. What are the YouTube search will be here. So that will be you can use this in a particular option. Here is the channel will be work. Here is this option. Or else go to channel. What are the video you will be target? That is the most important for the particular things. So here is the so where you can use these options. So which is we can go with more option. Click the video. So ad we can show to the customers, desktop and mobile. Here is this. discovery, display, search, and Gmail, and your particular option will be used to the YouTube option. This is called skip ad. So how many video ad we can show here? Can add by the up to 5 videos. So this is all option will be here. At a time, we can show will be 5 ads. That option name is called performance ad. Discovery, display, search, Gmail, and YouTube ad. Finally, click for next options. Any phone number will be extension required like this. Any kind of phone number extension will be like this required. You can add by the extension, or else you can click for next option. Go to the final summary. It will check for the final summary. Extension nothing but URL, everything will be compulsory important. Here is the particular anything will be not matched. They immediately show to the back, and here will be view to the option. So you can click it. Where is unexpected space? You can check it out. Here is the don't use your particular kind of commas. So that will be not accepting for here. That is the major issue. Click for next. Next. Finally, it is go to summary. Finally, you can go to option name is called launch campaign. You can fix the issues and apply the your particular thing here. So those options are we can clarify. He will be here. This compulsory will be using here. Anything will be one missing. They can't accept your terminology or particular things. So minimum you have to follow the particular things. So if you want anyone creating display ads, anything you have to contact my channel. I definitely will be show to customers how to create the ads. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.